Alright guys, so we're back out at the property. Want to kind of give you an update of what we got going on this week and show you where we left off with this wall on the carport. Let's see what we got here. So I'm a little bit better than halfway on this one side. And I am going to put some windows and maybe even a door in it, but I'm going to kind of let everything dry out first before I start framing in the permanent stuff. So yeah, I'm pretty pleased with it. I'd like to have a joiner or a table saw or a planer or all of those, but you know, it's rough cut lumber, and I think it looks good just the way it is. So anyway, what we got going on today is we're gonna head over to my buddy Ryan's house. He's having a new house built, and he had about a half acre or so cleared, and that's where I got all the pine wood from, all the logs. And he's got a bunch more, and I'm trying to get it before it goes bad, because pine doesn't lay on the ground for very long before it is not useful. So that's what we're doing today. I'm gonna hook up the trailer, the deck over trailer, and I'm gonna throw the tractor on it with the grapple, and we're gonna go over there and we're gonna get as many loads as we can in the next couple days. Excuse me, I'm waiting for this belt tension gauge to come from Woodmiser, and I also got something else that I ordered from them. It's I'll let you know in a couple days here when we get it and get it all set up, but it's gonna take my milling to the next level, make it a lot easier. Let's see, what else do I have? Yeah, I want to get this belt tensioned right because I know it's slipping, and I'm gonna go through also and just go through everything again and just make sure that my cutting is square and true and all that. When I was putting these boards up, I noticed that they were tight at the bottom and had a gap in the middle or at the top. So they're off a little bit. It's not terrible, but if I start selling wood, I want it to be dead nuts. I want it to be on. So anyhow, there's a stack that we ended up with the other day. I put some tin roofing on it. We got a lot of mold in that stack there. I had it sitting underneath my carport, but I've got it on gravel, and it was fairly low to the ground, and I think it just wicked some of that moisture up between that and the humidity, and maybe didn't get enough wind blowing through there. I don't know, but you can see mold on the boards there, and I think it's fairly common for pine if you don't do anything with it. There's a lot of ways to remedy that. You could spray it with a bleach and borax solution, which I'll probably start doing, but hopefully this pine that I'm getting now, it'll be dry enough, you know, not humid, so we're out of the humid weather, and hopefully it'll turn out better than this stack here. I'm going to use this for my own personal use anyways, so I'm not real concerned with it, but I do want to get better. You know, if I start selling it, I want the stuff to look nice. Yeah, so that's what we're gonna do. I'm gonna go bring the tractor over there, get everything hooked up, and follow me along. We're gonna take about a 40-minute ride, and we're gonna do that probably 3 times today, so hang in there with me.
It's a song every bell cries out to be around. Every dog wanna wag its tail. Life ain't nothing but a pilgrim trail. Every message needs a dove, and everything grows with a drop of love. We're all hanging on tooth and nail. It's a rocky road, this pilgrim trail. Pilgrim trail.
Buck and Billy Ray. Shaklank. Shaklank, shaklank. So this is just a standard Ram 1500 truck, but when I ordered it, I got the lower gear ratio in the rear end, and I also had airbags installed. And I like to run them at about 80 psi when I'm hauling something real heavy, when I'm like at the maximum of the truck and trailer capacity, which is 10 to 11,000 pounds. So this little time lapse I'm showing right here, about halfway through it, the battery ran out on my GoPro and I didn't realize it. I usually use battery packs, the bigger ones, but when I'm remote like this and working on the tractor, I just put a small GoPro battery, and they don't really last that long, and I can't really hear when it beeps when I'm on the machine, so I didn't know. So I don't have any video of loading the trailer, but what I'm doing here is I'm just trying to get the stuff up out of the mud. There's a big mud pit right here, and get it shaken out, and that way I can look and see which ones are straight, which ones I want, which ones I don't want. I'm going to make several trips, so I'm just trying to shake them out in his yard so I can come and get them quicker once I figure out which ones I want. When you see me again, I'll actually be back at the sawmill at our property, and I'll be unloading logs that I did put on the trailer from this first trip. What I'm about to do here, I don't recommend. I'm going to unstrap these, put a cant hook on them, and try to roll them off the trailer without killing myself. Wish me luck. Okay, there goes 4 of them. That worked out pretty good so far. Hey, how about that? I like it. I call that a success. Look at that. Couldn't have stacked them any better with a tractor. Alright guys, so I just got back to the property, got the second load, got a big load this time. I don't think I put quite as many. I calculated it last time and it was like 5,600 pounds. And I can put like 7,500 pounds on this trailer. So this time I stacked it a little bit higher. And I think I was probably at my capacity, but it still pulled it really well. So I'm gonna get you out here and unload this thing. It worked pretty good just rolling them off. You just got to stand off to the side and just be careful. I don't know how good you can see that. Let's get out here and check this out. Here's my load this time. At least this is a really nice trailer. I bought these straps. A guy had never used the strap system, it looked like, because these were all kind of painted shut still. But bought these Kinadyne straps, what truckers use. 5,000 or what is it, 5,400 pounds a piece. Nice straps. And those ratchets work really well. It's nice to have them built in. There it is. This was really careless of me. This is why I was saying don't try this. I should have kept that board underneath there, or something. I might make some posts that go on these pockets. This trailer has pockets on it that you can put some uprights in, and that's probably what I should do. It would be a good safety factor. When I cut those straps loose, I was prepared for them to, you know, it didn't really surprise me. I knew that was a possibility, so I was able to get out of the way, but that still wasn't the best way to handle that situation. Kind of got her jammed in there. First load was a lot easier. Good enough for who it's for. Good looking pile of logs. think that's gonna do it for today, guys. I'll catch you on the next one.